My name is Handrol. I'm an ESD technician. Been working on Paul Davis since December 2016. Favorite part of the job is going, every time that you go to a new loss, everything's something different, never is the same. You have the opportunity to help them on their time of need. Always teach them, because most of the time it's first time for them going through that. So it's really interesting what I do. On my free time, I like to work out with my wife, spend time with my family, with my daughter. They're my inspiration. My future is to keep learning more and working my way up into new position.